First, I will introduce one of the Linux commands, sort command. Sort command sorts the contents of a text file alphabetically. Now let's find out how sort command is used in Linux. As you can see on the screen, there are 3 files in the take-home directory. The Korean score file contains students' Korean scores. Also, the English score file contains students' English scores. As you can see, both files are not sorted yet. So we can sort 2 files through the sort command. If you want to reversely sort files, you can put the -r option. However, if you look at the data in the sorted file, you can see that there are 2 95s and 2 50s. We can eliminate duplicate values using -u option. You can also sort 2 files at once by writing them down in a row. Similarly, duplicate values can be eliminated through the -u option. And also we can combine the 2 files using the -m option. The important point here is if you're using -m option, the 2 files will be not sorted. Now let's sort the name file. Just like before, sort by using sort command and -r option is available. You can combine each of the 3 files by row through paste command. I think it's a little bit like a report card. So I named this file report. As you can see on the screen, sorting the report file shows sorting by name. However, if you want to sort by English score, you can use -k for options. Likewise, if you want to sort by Korean score, you can use the -k3 option. Lastly, I will introduce about the -c option. -c option checks whether file is sorted or not. Therefore, in this case indicates that the Korean score file is not sorted. So we can sort the file by using sort command. And as you can see on the screen, after creating a sorted file named sorted K, the -c option shows that the file is sorted. Now I will introduce about grep command. Grep command searches specific strings in Linux. Now let's find out how sort command is used in Linux. As you can see on the screen, there are 3 files and 1 subdirectory in the sort directory now. And there is a mine.txt file in the subdirectory. Let's go back to the sort directory and search for the string KitKat in the snack.txt file. We can see no result when I press enter button. That means there is no KitKat string in the snack.txt file. Next, let's look at the string chocolate in the snack.txt file. When you enter the command, you can see that there are 3 results: chocolate, dark chocolate, and milk chocolate. However, what if you only want to get the word chocolate? You can use the -w option to achieve matching result in word unit called chocolate. And using the -i option, it is case insensitive, thus the word chocolate can be obtained beginning with the capital letter C. Next, if you use the -n option, it outputs the content of the matching lines and its location. And using the -b num option, it outputs a matching line while showing the number of lines specified above the matching line. -a num option also output matching lines and specified number of content after the matching line. -c num option also outputs matching lines and specified number of content before and after the matching line. Note that all ABC used in the -a num option, -b num option, and -c num options are all uppercase. Next, you can use the character star in the file name to search for strings in any file in the current directory. However, it does not check files in subdirectories contained in the current directory. Use the -r option to check subdirectories. And also, you can search for strings in any file with a specific extension using the character star before the file name extension. Next, -c options outputs the number of lines with matching patterns for each file. As I said before, if you want to check the file in subdirectories, you have to use the -r option. You can display file names with patterns using the -l option. As we can see on the screen, shows that the memo.txt file, the snack.txt file, and the mine.txt file in the subdirectory contain the word chocolate. Now, let me introduce about the regular expressions dot and bracket n. Regular expression dot shows the result of matching exactly one character. Therefore, in this screen, we can find the strings that matches exactly the form of 3 characters, -4 characters, -4 characters. And also, we can use this command to get the same result as the previous slide. And here, the -p option interprets the pattern as a per regular expression. Lastly, I will introduce about -v option. -v option selects a line whose matching pattern does not exist. Therefore, the contents of the snack.txt file are printed except for the word chocolate. Now I will use the files I used to introduce the sort command to use the grep command. If you want to find the word in the report file, you can write grep (n) and report. Then, as you can see from the result printed on the screen, it is easy to see that students who name Eun-kyo have 90 Korean scores and 95 English scores. Therefore, using the grep command to search for a student's name makes it easier to know the student's grade. Also, if you search for 9 dot, you can easily see scores above 90 points. And if you want to search for how many students scored more than 90 points, you can easily find them using the -c option. In this example, 3 students scored more than 90 points. In this example, it is easy to see that students Eun-kyo and Soan Che scored more than 90 points in both Korean and English subjects. And Seokbong-han student scored more than 90 points only in Korean subject. Therefore, I think it will be very practical to understand the grades of many students at a glance using the grep command. So, this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Bye!